Hi guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to promote your business using Pinterest app. Let's launch the app first. So Pinterest is very different when promoting your business in comparison with Facebook and Instagram. Simply because the content is organized very differently. As you can see, the whole feed is kind of concentrated and gives much more details. It's almost like a split feed, and you have a double feed in comparison with Instagram, even with TikTok. So the idea over here is that if you're selling something in particular, for example, clothes, right, men's clothes, the likelihood of people who are interested into styling, stylish clothes, accessories, and all that stuff, right, they will be here. And there will be people who will be presenting their content much better than others. As you can see, people are not only showing one item, they're showing the prices, they're showing different jewelries and things that will go along with this, right? In comparison with something on the left, like somebody's just focusing on jeans. So the idea over here is that you are going to exploit the opportunities to rank in between these people. But your idea is to go inside the niche, because this is Pinterest is a niche platform. It's for people that are passionate about stuff. It's not about like selling in general. Yes, people do make sales and do drive traffic through Pinterest, but the main hobby here is that people coming and they create pins, they create like a mood boards. Like for example, they're into like a casual outfits or like golf outfits or running shoes, right? Or outdoor activity. So they follow all the pages that are promoting stuff like this. So your goal will be here to become part of the trend, to become part of the mood, to start creating a lot of content that is related to the mood. Because if you click over here, for example, right, and you go on the profile, you don't see the listings of all the items, right? But if you go back, you have one post with bunch of items, right? Looks like a sales offer. And you might be thinking this is a store, right? They do have all the listings individually posted when you go on their Pinterest, right? But you go on their profile, and guess what? They don't have any of this. They don't have none of these items. They just have all these mood boards live, homeroom design, like a hype style. I hope you guys understand what's the point over here. You don't want to look up front like a salesman. You don't want to look that you're on the platform just to make sales. You want to show that you're one of these people who are hyped about, dressing nice, looking good, right? Buying nice stuff. Not necessarily expensive, because if you look, there's stuff that are like Zara, 50, 60 bucks, right? So you gather together, you build a community of people with the same interests, and then little by little, you're, popping it on the feed by other big brands. Because as you can see, next to your, small or big page, you have Ralph Lauren over here running ad, right? And if you look on top, you have Suit Supply running ad for costumes, right? For blazer jackets. So in between both big brands paid ads, you have your own profile and your own chance, to capitalize on the mood, to capitalize on the vibe. Somebody's doing it over here from Amazon. As you can see, somebody's trying to, put the New Balance shoes, the khaki pants, or the casual button down. So they're going in between these both, luxury styles, men's warehouse. This is what I'm trying to highlight over here, guys. You need to have a unique approach for Pinterest. You cannot just copy and paste the same strategy that you have been using on Facebook or Instagram or TikTok. This platform is very, very different. This platform is in a way in which you want to be passive in terms of sales offers, but you want to be active in content creation and building the community. This is how you're gonna make so much more money using Pinterest, because here it's very simple. You just click on it and you have all the items. You click on the item, and then you're gonna get a bunch of recommendations from, if not the same but similar item, right? It's so easy. You cannot make a sale with 2 clicks on Instagram or in TikTok, right? This is what I'm trying to highlight over here, guys. For more tips and tricks, subscribe and follow for more.